In a kingdom of talking animals, the dog was the most beloved creature. The dog, with its loyal heart and gentle spirit, was the epitome of kindness and understanding. One day, the kingdom faced a crisis. A terrible drought had struck the land, and the food supply was dwindling. The animals were desperate, and the king, a wise old lion, sought a solution. He called for a meeting of the kingdom's creatures. "We need a hero," he announced, "someone who can bring us water and restore our paradise." Then, the dog raised its head, its eyes filled with determination. It approached the lion, and with a voice that echoed throughout the hall, it said, "I will find the water, Your Majesty." The lion looked at the dog, puzzled. "But how, little dog?" he asked. "I am but a small creature, and the journey will be long and treacherous." The dog replied, "Size does not define our abilities, but our hearts. I may be small, but my heart is as vast as the ocean." The lion, moved by the dog's words, granted it permission to embark on its journey. The dog set off, traveling through deserts and mountains, facing obstacles and dangers along the way. After many days and nights, the dog finally reached a spring. With a leap of joy, it drank from the crystal-clear water. It filled its pouch and began the long journey back to the kingdom. When the dog returned, the kingdom was overjoyed. The water was shared among the animals, and the land bloomed once more. The dog, though exhausted, was filled with a sense of fulfillment. From that day forward, the dog was not just loved, but revered. It had proven that size does not define our abilities, but our hearts. And the dog, with its loyal heart and gentle spirit, would forever be the kingdom's hero. In the end, the dog's story serves as a reminder that everyone, no matter how small, has the potential to make a difference. For it is our hearts, not our size, that truly define us.